This is how to play ndou wanga morena by Takie, ndou. The original key of the song is the key of D sharp, which is this key right here. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of D sharp and also the key of C sharp. Without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm going to start first by playing this song to you guys, and then I'll break it down after. I'm going to play it on the key of D sharp. So it says, ndou wanga morena, wanga morena, wanga morena. Okay, it has a very simple chord progression. Let's break it down. So on the key of D sharp, it starts right on this chord. I believe everyone can see it. Okay, this chord. This is our number 4 on the major scale of the key of D sharp. Okay, or you can call it a G sharp major second inversion chord. Okay, from here it goes to this chord, which is our number 1 on the major scale of the key of D sharp. It's D sharp major first inversion. Okay, our number 1, D sharp major first inversion. From here it goes to 5. From 1 it goes to 5, which is A sharp major second inversion. From 5 it goes back to 1. Let's repeat it again for the last time. It's 4, 1, 5, 1. Okay, so when you play number 4 on the right, on the left you're going to play 4 as well. Okay, when you go to 1 on the left you also go to 1. When you go to 5 on the left you also go to 5. When you go back to 1 on the left you also go to 1. Okay, it's a very, very simple chord progression. We're gonna break it down again on the key of C sharp. Okay, so on the key of C sharp, this is our number 4 right here. Okay, this is our number 4. It's F sharp major second inversion. Okay, I believe everyone can see this chord. F sharp major second inversion is our number 4. From 4 it goes where? To 1, first inversion. Okay, this is C sharp major first inversion. This chord right here. From 1 it goes to 5. This is our number 5. It's G sharp major second inversion. From 5 it goes back to 1. Alright, so when you hit 4 on the right, on the left you also go to 4. This is our number 4 on the major scale of the key of C sharp. Okay, it's 4. From 4 it goes to 1. On the left you also go to 1. When you go to 5 on the left you also go to 5. Back to 1 on the left you also go to 1. It's very simple, right? Ndou wanga morena, wanga morena, wanga morena, wanga morena, wanga morena, wanga morena, wanga morena. Okay, I believe you learned something from this video. If you did, please drop a like. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Until we meet again, God bless you.